Okay, this is Anthony. His hair is gone. No more.
But at least he's not crying. Some people like to cry. And the neckline is gonna be weird because it's been a long time. It's right here, so it's not gonna be trained easy.
I'm gonna get a sunburn, huh?
You need to get what?
Sunburn?
Oh my goodness gracious, there goes all his hair. Look at that. You're on social cam, sweetie.
Okay.
We should just leave it like that.
Doesn't look bad, actually.
Yeah, your face looks thinner.
It's gonna be like rough, yeah, small.